I am Muhammad Khaled Zubair Shad. I made this video for all. The next time you're planning a picnic, don't forget the pickles place at the table when preparing your menu. Consider this potato salad recipe for your next gathering. Red, white and blue savory potato salad. Serves 8 to 10. 6 large red potatoes, unpeeled. 4 hard-boiled eggs, peeled. 4 small green onions, thinly sliced, white and light green part only. 6 slices maple smoked bacon. 1/2 cup blue cheese crumbles or 1 4-ounce package. Dressing. 11 halves cups mayonnaise. 1/3 cup minced Del Monte organic sweet bread and butter chips. 1 tablespoon cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons reserved bacon drippings. 1 tablespoon prepared mustard. 1/4 teaspoon celery seed, ground or whole. 1/4 teaspoon Tabasco sauce. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon salt. In a large pot of salted, boiling water, cook potatoes until fork tender. Drain, set aside. Cook and crumble bacon, reserving 2 tablespoons of drippings. In a medium bowl, stir together all dressing ingredients. If thinner dressing is desired, add small amounts of liquid from the pickle jar. While potatoes are still warm, cut into small chunks. In a deep glass bowl, layer 1/3 potatoes, eggs and onions. Top each layer with 1/3 portion of dressing. Repeat 2 more times, ending with dressing. Top with crumbled bacon and blue cheese. And now there is an organic choice of pickles. Del Monte offers the first line of USDA certified organic pickles, available in supermarkets and retail outlets offering natural and organic foods nationwide. A favorite among many, pickles tempt the taste buds, pack a zesty punch and, perhaps best of all, kids love them. With no fat and few carbohydrates or calories, pickles make a great snack or addition to any meal. Pickles are a great treat throughout the year, but it doesn't get much better than adding fresh pickle slices to a burger, or better yet, just eat whole pickles straight from the jar, said Jeff Tuttle, Chief Marketing Officer for M.A. Gedney Company, producer and marketer of the Del Monte line of pickles. And our online cookbook provides plenty of choices for great pickle recipes that are sure to be a hit at any picnic.